thing talaga doon is, number one, dinideny na ni Attorney Mans yung full 6 billion na allegation na yung unofficial na AMLAC report. And then, based on yung unofficial record or copy ng report, allegedly report daw yung AMLAC na natanggap namin, chinek namin yung yung computation. Hindi rin kami sigurado, pero it appears sinama nila yung withdrawal deposit as balance. So kung let's say magpasok ka 1,000, tapos withdraw mo yun, 1 plus 1, 2,000, diba? Tapos yung balance sinama, so 3,000. So may parang ganun yung tingin namin nangyari based on sa nakita lang namin. And then yung isa pa dyan na very unreasonable, kasi kung let's say 1,000 magkaroon ng interest, nasa natin 5 pesos. So 1,005. Yung ending balance, mag-iiba din, maging 1,005. So yung same 1,000 na yun, binilang ulit nila yung ending balance most likely. So in other words, yung simpleng 1,000, kada change ng ending balance, parang inulit-ulit nila yung single deposit na pera. So yun yung and then yung rin doon, yung pangalawa is yung dapat walang selective justice yung House of Representatives. Kasi yung, diba, yung April 29 hearing, hindi nila inopen yung box. Pero no April 22, they opened or they showed or they disclosed yung alleged AMLAC records ni Attorney Mans. So kaya namin nasabing dapat walang selective justice kasi both laws, yung NIRC and the Anti-Money Laundering Act, involves confidentiality yung issue. So ngayon, bakit namili sila na yung AMLAC dinisclose pero BIR hindi? Hindi po pwede yan because that's a violation of the right to due process and equal protection under the Constitution. So pag violation po yan ng right to due process, that is unconstitutional for being grave abuse of discretion. So yun po, dapat walang selective justice. And as much as possible, kami, yung position namin, rule of law, rule of just law. So we are prepared to answer in the proper venue once mapakita nila sa amin na yung, let's say, masapina si Attorney Mans. Kung mapakita nila sa amin na legal at hindi unconstitutional yung ginagawa nila, prepared naman sumagot si Attorney Mans. Basta in the proper venue. Ayaw namin makisabay dun sa political noise nila. Kasi ngayon parang inaano nila like yung counter nila, distraction lang daw yung finale namin criminal case. Hindi naman yun ang issue dun sa criminal case eh. Yung issue lang doon, whether or not you performed something illegal or criminal. Kung may ginawa silang illegal, therefore they should be held liable. That's not simply to distract from the impeachment process kasi sila po yung may ginawang criminal act, alleged criminal act yung position namin. Okay, yun lang po. Thank you. It's questionable if you ask me.
Kaya nga, so we cannot show that in our report.
You should ask your supervisor.
Kasi bakit yung pinakita ka lang
Hindi, example.
Hindi, yung part na note ng video.
Meron talaga. Confidential ba yun?
Hindi, yung confidential kasi na yun, galing yun from our office. So kami, we are allowed. Yung sa media, yun yung hindi ko alam kasi hindi naman nag-consent sa So, yun yung kailangan yung i-consult with your
But we can
chief.
report that na may allegedly may clarification.
Yes, basta allegedly, mga ganun. Wala namang problem.
Sir, saan nyo nakuha yung ano po na yung copy na yun?
I think in a similar manner kung paano nyo nakuha.
Okay, sige.
More or less.
Okay.
Basta nag-request kami from AMLAC, walang binibigay after this.
Nag-request na kayo.
Kaya nga di ba kanina in-emphasize ko na yung nangyari ngayon is very unreasonable, di ba? Naging mainstream media for the past 2 weeks, walang official report, walang signed report, pero it's being portrayed na official siya. So yun yung dilemma natin ngayon na that needs to be addressed by AMLAC and the BSP. Kaya up to present, nag-aantay lang kami, wala pa rin binibigay. Kasi yung tandaan nyo lang din, si Attorney Mans is not hiding, is prepared naman to answer the proper venue, yung LOA, we are prepared also for it. Si Attorney Mans, huwag na yung mga ganyan kasi privacy concern.
Attorney, just to be exact, kailan niyo po sinubmit yung request for the AMLAC records?
Attorney, kailan natin sinabot yung record? Yung request sa AMLAC?
Sa HOJ.
Hindi, nag-request tayo sa AMLAC.
Request tayo sa committee.
Sa committee.
Sa committee, oh.
April 29.
Yes.
Sa committee, sa committee. Hindi pa rin siya nag-branch.
Hindi pa. So yun din, diba? They are making it appear na parts and Attorney Mans to the case, pero he's not being notified properly kung ano yung mga allegations, ano yung discuss. That's basic in due process eh. Before you explain, you have to be given the right to notice, to be notified kung ano ba yung i-discuss. So yun pala, ikaw, nag-review ka naman sa court kanina eh. So,
Hindi, RPC yun, RPC ba?
RPC. Hindi, parang support yung color.
Rules of court ba?